Hearing over the legality of Nigeria's currency redesign continued at the Apex Court in Abuja on Wednesday. Some state governors had dragged the federal government to court weeks back, seeking to reverse a policy that has caused a cash crunch in Africa's topmost economy. The government introduced the redesigned 200, 500 and 1,000 naira notes late last year and set a deadline of February the 10th to phase out the old notes.
The president will do nothing to undermine the powers and jurisdiction of this court. We are all working at trying to salvage a difficult situation. That's where we are. Those who have this naira in their hands should submit them to the CBN or any banks designated for that purpose. Nobody will lose his money if you try to comply.
The court had on the 8th of February ordered a halt on the February 10th deadline date pending the determination of the suit. But instead, authorities extended the use of the old 200 naira notes for an additional 2 months. The suing parties say the president did not follow due process in exercising his executive order.
It is mandatory on the president, since this is an economic issue, to seek the approval of National Economic Council, which the governor of Kano State is a member of. And the governor of Kano State said that that issue was never tabled before the National Economic Council. So Kano State is saying that the approval and directive given by the president is unconstitutional because it did not comply with the provision of the Constitution.
The time frame given for this policy to be implemented and the terms are very short, and it's not convenient for the plaintiffs and indeed Nigerians to conform. That's why you have seen a lot of chaos everywhere. The president has powers, but that power must be exercised judicially and judiciously.
Nigerians have been reeling under the impact of a cash crunch, with many besieging banks and ATMs to withdraw cash. One of the reasons given by the central bank for the redesign of the currency was to curb vote buying, which has been a bane in past elections. The Apex Bank says the new policy would also help tackle inflation and promote a cashless society. Nigerians will be heading to the polls this weekend. They'll now have to wait longer for the final outcome of the court's decision on March the 3rd. Kelechi Emekalam, CGTN Abuja, Nigeria.